What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Spring Summer 26 Week 4 live cop. Where do I even begin? I was actually debating on not even making this video because I kind of feel like this video is only going to be like 3 minutes long. This is going to be the fastest L you guys have ever seen on the channel. Personally, I think this is going to be pretty much impossible to get manual, but we're still going to try, I guess. We're still going to try to make the video. Like I said, this video is going to be extremely short. I already know that because we're pretty much only going for the box logo hoodie. With it being the MM6 collab, you pretty much only get one thing. Like one thing to go for. So we're picking the box logo hoodie, but if for whatever reason after I take an L on the hoodie, we are going to try to get the green football jersey. Those are the two things I want mainly for the personal. I doubt I'm going to get either of them, but we're still going to try. Before we get into it, I did want to say please excuse the mess in the background. I really didn't think I was going to make this video, but then I decided to at last minute. We actually only got a few minutes left until the drop. And then yes, I am wearing the exact same outfit that I just wore like 2 videos ago. That's because in my opinion, this is my favorite slash biggest manual W. So we're going to wear this for good luck today in hopes that we can secure this. Pablo and I were just talking about how we want to get a box logo before we even knew this existed. So I feel like this is perfect to get back into it because now I don't have any box logos. But again, I highly doubt we're going to get this. And I wouldn't be surprised if this is like $1,000 later today on StockX or on the aftermarket. Even if it is, we're still keeping it if we can get it for retail. I did want to say though, there are other fire pieces in this drop, but with it being such a big collab, you can pretty much only go for one thing, and I'm picking the box logo. But I guess real quick to make the video a little bit longer, I will say some of my other favorite items. The Eagle zip I feel like isn't really for me, but I kind of actually liked it. I didn't like it at first, I'm not gonna lie, but I am actually feeling it. I know the Tims are modeled off those Gats from a long time ago, but the Tims just really aren't for me either, but I do appreciate them. Then we got the top, which is pretty much just like the hoodie. We got the money top, and I was actually thinking about maybe getting these pants until I realized they were $700, and then I was like, I'd rather just go for the box logo. The hat is pretty cool. I mean, I guess if that's still there, we can try to get that so we can at least try to get something. Punching bag is sick. Obviously, we're not going for that. The stadium jacket's really cool as well. Same with the boxing gloves. But I actually did like the sweatpants as well, but I pretty much want the box logo the most, so that's obviously what we're gonna go for. $158 bandana, which is kind of cool. And I did forget there actually are some lookbook items dropping, some preview items, but we're not going for any of those. And it looks like there's just 3 of them, 4 of them, but we're not gonna go for any of those. Yeah, if this is anything like the drop from like, I think 2 years ago now, that wasn't even that hyped up at the time. I also vaguely remember people were not messing with that hoodie at first, and I wanted that so bad. And Pablo and I were also just talking about the Mount Rushmore of our favorite Supreme items, and I'm gonna put the original MM6 hoodie on that. I know I'm probably gonna get some hate for that, but I love that hoodie. It's a huge grail. It just sucks now that it's pretty much like a 1-to-1 item where that thing is so fake. You're probably never gonna find a real one on the aftermarket now. It's pretty much too late for me to ever get one of those, but I love that hoodie, and that was impossible to get. And I feel like back then, nobody was talking about this collab like they are now for this one. That's why I felt like this is just, there's no point of making this video. We're gonna basically load in, it's gonna be sold out, or we're gonna add it to the cart and it's gonna say sold out, and then we're pretty much done. Hopefully it's still gonna be entertaining, and I really do hope this is not your first live cop of mine that you are watching, because I have a ton of other ones on the channel. I also have a live cop playlist you can check out. All the information will be linked in the description down below. And while you're down there, you can follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden, and you could also follow my store, The Storm Factory. Like I just said, all this information will be in the description down below if you want to check out any of that. Like I always say, thank you guys so much for the support lately. I greatly appreciate it. But let's just get right into this live cop. And we are live on the live cop. We actually only have less than a minute left until the drop, so there's not really too much to talk about. And low key, I kind of already forgot what, oh yeah, so like the Playboy stuff dropped last week. Still have not received any of this in the mail, and I actually did just find out that that $690 cart that I made on week 1 is lost in the mail. So I really hope I'm either gonna get a refund or those items, because that is very unfortunate and that sucks. So that's literally like $700 of lost stuff. I've never had a single Supreme item like get lost in the mail, so this is the first, and I really don't know if Supreme helps you out with that or if I got to go through UPS, but hopefully I can get that resolved here pretty soon. But all right guys, we have 10 seconds left until the drop. I already know by the time you're watching this, the drop did pass, but good luck to anybody who is trying. Please let me get this W. I know I've been super negative this whole video. Okay, let's go, let's go. Why am I like so nervous right now? We're going for the medium. I don't even care. Hopefully medium fits me if I can even get this. Whoa, this is a new one, and they're gonna throw me off like this. Let's get through. Come on. Come on, let's get through. All right, that is way too much time, I feel like. I think it's gone. I think this is gonna be an L. Yeah, Supreme is probably seeing the highest traffic they have ever seen. All right, come on. No way. No way. Come on. Guys, why am I like sweating right now? No. Why did that pop up? No. No. No, I literally thought I don't know why I thought I could have actually got that. No, for a brief second I thought, no. I've already forgot about this. Let's go back and try to get this so I can at least get something. I don't even know if I should even go for a large or a medium. Wrong hat, wrong hat. Now I'm just so mad. Dang, I gotta go through all this all over again. I don't know what I was thinking, guys. For some reason, I thought I had that. I just talked all that, and for some reason, oh, we gotta go back into this. I'm so upset. I know I've said it like 50 times before. A split second, I actually thought I was going to get that. Now we're not even gonna get the football jersey. I'm wondering if that one thing didn't pop up, if that would have helped me at all. It only would have saved me like half of a second, but I mean, you never know. Now I'm just bummed out. I don't even care if I get this. I guess I could check my phone to see if it's even in stock. Wow, I can't even load it on my phone right now. Oh, it's sold out on my phone. So looks like this isn't out. So I wish it would just already update it for me. So it's completely sold out now. Yeah. I don't even really want the hats like that, to be honest. I was only getting those to help me get the free shipping. We took an L on the jersey as well. I don't know why it's not updated. Usually when it's sold out, it like automatically updates. Huge L over here. Before I end the screen recording, I guess I'll just see what happens right here. But like, it's got to be sold out, right? And those hats have got to be gone. Oh, still showing the hat. Oh, I'm not even on the new. I'm tripping. Wow, it's actually still showing the hats. Okay. Yeah, the Medina actually is kind of sick. I don't want it that bad though. All right, what's going on? This didn't even take that long last time. I'm pretty sure this is an L. I don't think I really need to wait much longer on this, but I guess we'll just take one last look at the site before I end the screen recording. Wow, I wish I wanted the black one. The black one is still here. Never mind. But I feel like if I wanted the black one, I probably could have gotten it, but I really only wanted the green one. And then these hoodies are sold out. Obviously the box logos. Sweatpants are still there, and the Timbs are still there, and so is the boxing stuff. So huge W as I expected, and wow, for once I actually made a video and we didn't buy anything. I don't think I've ever done that before. So let me just end the screen recording here. Now I could be wrong, but I'm pretty positive I've never made a live cop where I don't buy anything. This might be the first one, but that's gonna do it for my spring summer 26 week 4 live cop. As expected, I wasn't trying to be negative, but we did take the L. I don't even want to look at how much this box logo is going for. I do really want this for the personal, but I'm afraid to even look at what market is going for on this thing. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this drop. I feel like if I wanted the black jersey, I probably could have got that one, but I preferred the green one. So we also took the L on the jersey when we did circle back, and I'm actually still in the queue right now after I already ended screen recording. I'm still in this queue, so I don't know what's going on there. But if you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video. I really hope this is not your first live cop of mine that you are watching. So if you are interested in other live cops, you can check the playlist down below. And again, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. All the information will be on the screen or in the description down below. I think I already said it, but let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this drop. I appreciate all your guys' support. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.